Hi everyone, welcome back to the Focus Android YouTube channel. Today we are diving into a game changer from Google's Gemini. They are just rolled out a new feature that lets you upload and analyze audio file directly. This is a massive update and it's finally here. So what you can do with it? Pretty much anything. You can upload an audio recording of a meeting and ask Gemini to summarize the key takeaways. Or maybe you have a long lecture, just upload the file and Gemini can transcribe it for you in a second, saving your hour from work. Now for the specific, if you are using a free version of Gemini, you can get up to 10 minutes of total audio. But if you are Google AI Pro or Ultra subscriber, you can upload up to 3 hours of audio and you can upload up to 10 files at once. So what do you think? Are you excited to try this new feature? Let me know in the comment below. Thank you for watching and see you in another video.